Hello viewers, in this video tutorial we are going to learn how to create a login and registration form from HTML and CSS. I hope you all have basic knowledge on HTML and CSS. If you don't, no worries, because it is very simple. You will all understand everything after the completion of this video. So for this, you need to open any of your favorite text editor. I'm going to use Sublime Text. Okay, you can use any of them. There are plenty of text editor like Visual Studio Code, Notepad++, Sublime Text. So I'm going to use Sublime Text. So after opening Sublime Text, create a new file. Okay, create a new file, and we are going to save it as registration.html. Okay, I'm going to save it in this folder. Okay, registration.html. Okay, after creating a new file, type HTML in Sublime Text and press tab. There you will get the format of HTML. So after you get it, in title section write registration form, because we are going to make registration form. Okay, registration form, it is the registration form is our page title. So, and what we're gonna need is heading. Okay, heading, our heading is register, sign up here. Okay, let me take a div class first. Div tab, div class equals to registration. Okay, let me take a div class first. Okay, again what you need to do is again take another div class. If in this div we will write username, first name, last name, password. So first label for our first label is for label for first name, okay, first name. Input type, our input type is text. Of course, our input type is text, and name is first name. Okay, again take more for last name, email, password. Okay, I'm going to copy it and paste. Control V, 1 2 3, and for password also. Okay, for first name I'm going to write a label for last name. Here we'll write last name, last name. Okay, this one is for, this label is for username, because in registration form we're gonna need username. Okay, username input type text. Here this is username, name equals to username. Email, next one is for email, label for email. Our label is here email. Okay, input type is equals to email here, email. Okay, in this place of name I will write here email. another is for password. Okay, password, input type equals to password, input type equals to password, label for password, label for password, name equals to, I'm going to give it as password1, password 1. We will need another label also for confirm password, label for password, name equals to password 2. This in this here we are going to write confirm, NFARM, confirm password. Okay, so save it and open it in browser. Okay, open in browser. Okay, this is what it looks like. We are going to give a final touch by the use of CSS, so we will need a button here, so I will add a button for sign up. Okay, I will take build button class equals to button. Okay, button for yes, I sign up, button for sign up, and I'm going to write a paragraph here. Already a member, taking a already a member. Okay, yellow GN login, not HTML, login. Okay, save it and again open browser and refresh. Okay, you will see like this. I have added this paragraph. Okay, so I'm going to make a login page. So for login page, what you need to do is first create a new page and save it as login.html. Okay, save it at login.html and copy all from registration.html and paste it in login.html. Okay, after pasting in login, we only need username and password. So what you need to do is delete first name option, last name option, delete, and we also don't need email. You can remove email, and we don't need two passwords, so remove this also. So, and our button name will be login. Our button will be login button, and in the paragraph I will write here, in place of already a member, I will write not a member, sign up. Okay, in this link I will give the link of registration.html, GIS registration.html, save it and open it in browser. So this is what will it look like. So in this place of sign up here, I will write login here. Okay, so what you need to do is change heading, login here. Okay, save it and see what it looks like. Okay, username, password, login. If you are not a member, sign up. Okay, we'll give a final touch by the use of CSS. What is remaining is okay, I think we have done all for HTML, so I will create a CSS file. For creating a CSS file, create a new file, Control N, okay. Save it as style.css, okay. Style.css, and we need to link these two HTML file to the CSS file. So what we need to do is we need to provide a link here, okay. Here we write style.css, okay. Save it, and we also need to link login page with CSS, so here also link style.css, okay. I will write here sign up here, okay. So now I'll write a CSS for both registration.html and login.html. So first I will provide a CSS for body section. The body section starts from here and ends to here, okay. For body, write body I will provide a background image, okay. Background image, where is background? Okay, background URL, give any image name, okay. This is background image. Background size, background size is cover, okay. Font family, what font family? sans serif, okay. Let's see how it looks like. Oh, okay, this is what it looks like. Don't worry, we'll give it more touch. So our next is our div class is registration, so I will provide a div, will provide CSS for registration. That max width 400 px. I will give max width 400 px. Border right I will give 20 px. Margin, I will give margin auto. Background 0, I will give 0, 0, 0 and 0.8. I will give it here, okay. Box sizing, border box sizing, border box. I will give padding I will give padding 40 px, okay. And color I will give this color has 45996 F, okay. Let's save it and look how it looks like. Okay, this is what it looks like. Now I will give CSS for heading. I will give CSS for heading. Okay, I miss here. Okay, I will give margin top also here. Margin top 100 px. Okay, now I will give CSS for this is S2. I give S2 or S1. S2. Okay, S2 text align center. Okay, let's see how it looks like. Okay, this is not in align, so I will make it in align. So let's see CSS. Input type equals to text. Input type equals to email. Okay, for this I will give CSS. I will give width. I will give width 100%. I will give width 100%. Okay, box sizing, border box, border box, padding. I will give padding 3 pixel. And what we need. Okay, what we need now, let's see how it looks like. Okay, now I will give border, this box border radius. Okay, what is border radius? I will give what, 5 px. Okay, border radius. Margin also, I need to give margin also. Margin 5 pixel. Border button 1 ID solid. Okay, let's see. Okay, this is what it should like. Here now I will give a CSS for this sign up button. This is not in align, so I will make it in align. Okay, let's see what we have. We have button class equals to btn. So okay, dot btn padding. I will give padding to px. Margin top I will give 5 pixel. Margin left, what is margin left? Okay, I will type margin left 4 px. border radius. Border radius I will give 5 px. Okay, save it and run. Okay, what you need, okay, I think it's almost done. If you click here in this login button, it will take you to login, and if you click in sign up here, it will redirect you to sign up. So this much I think